So we're going to look at how to find the antiderivative of secant. And there's a trick to it. What you want to do is you want to multiply the top and the bottom by secant x plus tan x. This is how you get to what the antiderivative is. So this is the trick. So up top we have secant, and I'm going to multiply by secant x tan x. Or secant x plus tan x, I'm sorry. And on the bottom, I'll do the same thing. I'll just multiply. I'm multiplying the top and the bottom by secant x plus tan x. Okay? So that's the trick. Then you use substitution. So let's look at this. Let me fix the top a little bit. I've got, up top, I've got secant squared x plus secant x tan x. And on the bottom, I've got secant x plus tan x. Okay? Now, I'm going to do this. I'm going to let u be the bottom. Okay? So, I'm going to just let u equal secant x plus tan x. Then du, okay, is the derivative of that. The derivative of secant is secant x tan x. And the derivative of tangent is secant squared x. Okay? So there's what I have. Now, dig if you will, that this is exactly the top up here. So I did that little trick, multiplied the top and the bottom by secant x plus tan x. Then I used substitution, and now look at what this integral becomes. This integral is just du over u, which is the natural log of the absolute value of u plus c. Okay? And if I go back and substitute in, I've got the natural log of the absolute value of secant x plus tan x. There. So this is a good thing to put in your knowledge pot. The antiderivative of secant is the log of the absolute value of secant x plus tan x. And this is how you derive it. Okay? So it's a good thing to know.